some adjustments with the lighting and everything. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. So this vlog was supposed to be about the modifications that we have made to this Bullet, but since you all can see the traffic, it's too much and it's getting dark now, so we had to cancel the plan, and now here I am shooting daily observations part 2, I mean video number 2 for daily observations. And I'm not alone, Sam is sitting behind me. We had to switch the whole thing, like the whole plan. Lafda lafda. That's how you guide a Bullet through traffic. See, it's that easy. I mean, it's not, obviously. I'll show you my hands in some time. They are all gonna be red. Look at this. I hope the angle is correct this time, because you sit upright on a Bullet, right? On a Gixxer it's not possible, so yeah. Okay, so I think we are pretty much out of the traffic now. I'll have to close the visor, so now the audio will be clear. I'm sorry if the audio was bad in the beginning, but yeah, here we are, let's go. So Sam is sitting behind me and we were discussing that how cold it was in Pune for the past 2 days, and today suddenly it has got warm and like I'm sweating right now in this riding jacket. Damn, these mirrors are so small, I can't even look if someone is behind me, and if I am to adjust, then oh, it's so loose that okay, wait, let me just pass this guy. Yeah, this whole thing has gotten loose, but now at least I can see it. I have Allen key set right now with us. That's not gonna be an issue. The only issue right now is that I'm wearing a helmet with a dark visor and I can't see anything in front of me, and it's getting pretty dark, obviously. I hope we don't crash into anyone. Look at this traffic. I mean, this isn't traffic for some of y'all who live in Mumbai, Bangalore or anything like that, but yeah, this is traffic for us Punekars actually. It happens many times when you drive a car and then, like, obviously after a turn, after taking a turn, the indicator switches itself off automatically, but in bike you have to do it manually, right? So it happens many times with me. I forget to switch off these manually. It is loud, but the mic sometimes fails to capture the audio properly. It tries to suppress the audio, and so the actual sound of exhaust differs from what you all hear. One more thing, did I show you all this wrap that we had done? If not, then look, have a look at it. If you want to have a closer look, then I'll provide an I button somewhere over here, or a link in the description, so you can visit it. You can watch that vlog from over there. This process was fun to watch, you know, like the way they hit over all that wrap and they apply it by stretching it. That is satisfying to watch. Okay, so we have planned that we'll... Oh, traffic! Look at the traffic now. Okay, so we won't be able to make a U-turn. Instant regret, guys, instant regret. Within seconds we saw the traffic and we are regretting our decision. But we wanted to take some shots of this Bullet while like we wanted to make a reel. So now we are gonna see if we can take any good shots in this low lighting, because GoPro fails to catch. Yeah, you'll get all kinds of races. So let's see if we can get any good shots for the Bullet to hit. Look at this, look at this. What was he trying to do? What is he trying to do?
Wrong judgment, guys. Wrong judgment.
Wrong judgment, actually. But he's a school bus driver. You can't compete with these guys. Okay, now look at him. He's again lost his way, I think. I don't know what he's trying to do. But yeah, here we are. We're gonna stop here for some time. Yeah, so we are returning back right now. Got the shots that we needed. I'll show you some of them if they turn out to be good. I captured them from my GoPro itself, so let's see how it goes. I'll know it when I reach home, so till then even I'll have to wait, because then I have to edit it, make some adjustments to lighting and everything. Oh, look at that guy. Some content delay. I saw one guy. Wait, I'll show you. Ether guy. Look at him. Wait. Let's catch him. He was... Wait. I hope he does that again. Please. For the camera, please. Yeah, look at him. Okay, let's follow him for some time. He looks funny to me. Let's see what he does in traffic. This is what I was waiting for, guys, finally. Okay, but he isn't doing anything. Let's see if he does anything. Yeah. He's all pumped up. Yeah, that's our observation for today. I don't know what he's trying to do, but yeah, he's all stretching himself and preparing for something. I don't know, race or something. Yeah, he's just have a look. I'll show you it once we hit the road again, like once we get going. Yeah, that's for the second time. His second time killer, any same. Let's see what he does. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I don't know why he's trying to do that. We are about to take an exit from over here. Hope he takes it too, but I don't think so. He's gonna go straight ahead. Yeah, he's going straight. Wow, what was that? Look at him. Have you seen those people who get triggered by the sound of another bike? Like, yeah, many times when people hear the sound of a Gixxer, they get triggered, and I don't know why. They try to race or they try to go fast. That's what they do. I don't know why. But it was fun, man. Today's ride was fun. I think it's about time we end this vlog. Yeah, anyways, gonna enter an area which has a lot of traffic usually, so it's better that I end it over here. If that guy ever watches this video, I want him to comment below. Why was he so pumped? I'm seriously very curious about it. Not joking at all. I want to know why he was so pumped up. Oh, look at the traffic that we dodged. Look at that. That's easily like around 15 minutes. That's easily like 15 minutes of traffic we have just dodged. Guys, this is it for today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed that guys show today. Oh shit. Okay, now I'm confused about what should be. Okay, that's 3 now. I'll end this vlog before it starts getting more dangerous now. Okay, 3 close calls or 2, I don't know, but yeah, let's end this before it gets more dangerous. Whew. So that's it for this vlog, guys. See you in the next vlog. Till then, subscribe, like, and do whatever you want with this channel. I'm not gonna try to cut from here because I know that would have been risky, and with those 3 close calls already, seems like we have a bounty on our head right now. Everyone's trying to get us, so better let's end this vlog over here. See you in the next vlog, guys. Bye bye, take care.